Now obtain essential prime implicant using tabular method. Okay, I given this function. You have already find essential prime implicant using kmap for this function, right? Now you have to find using tabular method. So I am doing now. What is the first step? You have to write binary numbers for given minterms, right? So I am writing what are available minterms: 0, 4, 0, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 13, 15. I am writing binary numbers. Okay, that is the first step. Next, second step, you have to perform create another table by grouping number of ones according to number of ones. Here number of ones in 0 is 0, so it is index 0. Okay, next 4 and 8, observe 4 and 8 as single one, so it is index 1. Okay, next two ones are available at 5 and 9. For 5 and 9 you have two ones, so it is index 0, right? Next 7 and 13, observe 7 and 13, you have three ones. Next 15 has 4 1. So rearrange this table like this. I am creating another table. Let us see. Index minterm wxyz. So index 0. For index 0 we have only 0, right? So I am writing 0. Index 1. For index 1 we have 4 and 8, right? 4 and 8. Next index 2 we have 5 and 9. I am writing. Next index 3 means 7 and 13. Next index 4 15. Okay, I prepared now. Now you have to combine. Which one? Step 3. Go for step 3. Compare every lowest group index with the highest group, right? Lowest group with the highest group. So this is 0 is lowest index group, 1 is highest group. So you have to compare 0 with 4, 0 with 8. And also the comparison is done for I and I plus 1 only. Means I take 0, you have to take compare 0 with 1 only. Don't compare these two. It is not possible. Okay. Next possible is 0 and 1, 1 and 2, right? In 1 and 2 we have to compare which values. I am taking another color. 4 5, 4 9, right? Again 8 5. 8 5 is not, we not perform. Why? 5 is smaller than 8, then we no need to perform comparison. Okay, so we have to compare 8 9. Next you have to compare 2 and 3 values. In 2 and 3 what are these? 5 and 7, 5 and 13. Okay, 9 7 is not possible, so 9 and 13 you have to compare 9 and 13 again. Next 3 and 4. Okay, in 3 and 4 we have, what are those? 7 15, 13 15. You have to compare these values. Okay, now I am preparing one more. table, that is index minterm w bar w xyz. Now I am comparing which one. First comparison is done for 0 and 4, right? I am comparing 0 and 4 now. So see, 0 has these two values, right? No difference, no difference, no difference. Only single difference is available, right? So you can mention you combining 0 and 4. Combination is possible. So right. After combining, what you have to do, you have to write it as 0 dash 0 0. Here number of ones are available 0. So it is belongs to index 0. So I am writing index 0. What is the minterm? You combine 0 and 4. So I am writing minterm 0 comma 4. And resultant value is 0 dash 0 0. Okay. Now compare 0 and 8. If you compare 0 and 8, you get 0 and 8. I am comparing 0 and 8 now. 0 is same, same, same. This one is different. So I am putting dash. So answer is 0 and 8 means after seeing after comparing 0 and 4, what you have to do, you have to place tick mark. Don't forget placing tick mark. So 0 and 4 is combined. So I am placing tick marks now. Oh, I am placing tick marks. Next compare 0 and 8. Okay. After comparing 0 and 8, you get answer is what? Dash triple zero, right? Now 8 is also compared. So place tick mark now. Now you have to compare 4 and 5, right? Now compare 4 and 5. 4 value is 0 1 0 0. 5 value is 0 1 0 1. Okay. First three terms are same. Last one is different. So put 0 1 0 dash 0 1 0 dash. Okay. What happened? 4 and 5 is also a possible combination. With the, how many ones are available here? Single one is available. So we can call it as index 1. So index 1, 4 and 5. Okay. 0 1 0 dash. Okay. Now put tick mark for 5. Next comparison is 4 and 9. Observe 4 and 9 has single change? No. We have so many changes in 4 and 5, 4 and 9. See, 4 value is 0, 1, 0, 0. 9 value is 1, 0, 0, 1. This one is changed, this one is changed, this one is changed. Total 3 terms are changed. So 4 and 9 is not possible. So don't. Okay. Next, 8 and 5. Don't check 8 and 5 because it is smaller value. Next, check 8 and 9. Okay. Next, check 8 and 9. Now you have to check 8 and 9. 8 values are what? 1, 0, 0, 0. 9 value 1, 0, 0, 1. So 1, 0, 0 dash 1, 0, 0 dash. If you get combine 8 and 9, you get 1, 0, 0 dash. 8 and 9, 1, 0, 0 dash. So now put tick mark for 9. Okay. Now checking index 2 with index 3. If you check index 2 with index 3, if you get a combination, you get two ones only. Okay, so it will become index 2. In index 2, what we get? Compare 5 and 7. If you compare 5 and 7, what you get? See, 5 value is 0 1 0 1, 7 value is 0 1 1 1. So difference is available at here. So 0 1 dash 1. So 5 and 7. 0 1 dash 1. Tick mark 7. Okay. Next 5 comma 13. 5 comma 13. Also you get value. See, 0 1 0 1. It is 5. 13 1 1 0 1. Right. First three, last three terms same. First one is different. So dash 101. Okay, 5 comma 13 dash 101. Okay, 13 also completed. Put tick mark. So I am comparing 9 comma 13 completed. No tick mark. But compare 9 and 13 also. Even though it is get tick mark, write 9 comma 13 once again. Okay, I am writing 9 comma 13. You have combination. See, where it is differed, second term is differing. Second term is differing. Remaining same. 1 dash 0 1. So 9 comma 13 means 1 dash 0 1. Okay. 1 dash 0 1. Now compare index 3 with index 4. Then you get index 3 only. 7 with 15, 13 with 15 now. So observe 7 with 15 dash triple one, right? Dash triple one. 13 with 15 double one dash 1. Double one dash 1. So here all are get ticked mark, right? So all get tick marks. So now repeat above step, means repeat this combination for this table now. Second table. You have to perform combination for this table now. Index 0 with 1, 1 with 2, 2 with 3. Like that you have to reduce indexes till possible. Okay. Here all are get tick marks. So none is essential. Right? None is prime implicant. You have to find prime implicant. So these are all our prime implicants. Let us check whether these all are prime implicants or not. So 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. Means you have to compare 0 4 with 0 8 only, because 0 4 4 is available. So no need to compare this one and this one, because here 4 available, here 4 available. So don't do comparison for these two. Okay. If you use comparison, combination is not possible. So leave it. Okay. There is no possible combination. Now compare 0 4 with 8 9. Okay. Next 0 8 with 4 5. Now 8 8 available. So no need to compare 0 8 8 9. So the possible checkings are 1 and 2. Okay. Next 1 with 2. 4 5 5 7. So 4 5 is not possible to check with this one and this one. Only possible is 4 5 9 13. Okay. 4 5 9 13. Possible combination. Next 8 9. 5, 7, both are small compared to 8, 9. So no need to check 5, 7. So 8, 9, 5, 13 you can check. But 8, 9, 9, 13 because 9 is common. So don't check this one. You can check 8, 9, 5, 13. Okay. Next, check 2 and 3. 5, 7, 13, 15. Okay. Next, 5, 13, 7, 15. The possible only two values are possible because 5, 13 here you not need not to compare. Next, 9, 13 also need not to compare with this one, right? So 9, 13, 7, 15. One more possible. Okay. 9, 13, 7, 15. So these are the possible combination. So now you have to check those terms and form again same table with indexes. Repeat the above step. Okay. Now you have to repeat the step by combining. So 0, 4 with 0, 8. Let us check 0, 4 with 0, 8. Sorry, 0, 4 with 8, 9. Okay. 0, 4 is what? 0 dash 0, 0. Next 8, 9. 1, 0, 0 dash. Right? How many changes? One change, two change, three changes. So not possible combination. We don't perform combining. Next, 0, 4 is not possible. So we not put any tick mark. Now 0, 8 with 4, 5. 0, 8 with 4, 5. It is okay. Let us check. Dash triple 0. Next 0, 1, 0 dash. One different, two different, three difference are there. So single difference is only available, then we have to combine. We get three differences. So no need to check it. Stop there. Next, 0, 4 not possible, 0, 8 possible. So we didn't get any 0 index now. Now check for 1 with 2. Now 1 with 2. You have to check these two. 4, 5 is compared with 9 and 13 only because 5 is available here. So we need not check these two. Come directly 4, 5, 9, 13. So 4, 5 value is what? 0, 1, 0 dash. 13 value 1 dash 0, 1. Here only you get two differences, 1 and 2. So we not include that one also. Next 8, 9. So 8, 9. 5, 7 is smaller than 8, 7. So no need to check this one. Next 8, 9, 5, 13. Let us check. This is 8. 5, 13. Dash 1. Here only we get two difference. So 8, 9, 5, 13 also not possible. Next 8, 9, 9, 13. Here 9 available, here 9 available. So no need to check it. So 1 and 2 combination also completed. We not find anything, right? We not find anything. Now check 2 and 3. In 2 and 3 we get combination. So that name as index 3. 5 and 7. 5 and 7. You have to check with 5 and 7 with 13 and 15 only because here 7 is available. So no need to check it. 5, 7, 13, 15. So 0, 1 dash 1, 13, 15. 1 1 dash 1. So this is same, only one value is differed, so it can write as dash 1 dash 1, right? Dash 1 dash 1. For which combination? 5 7 13 15. 5 7 13 15. So minus dash 1 dash 1. Okay. Next, you have to compare 5 13 with 7 15. Okay. 5 13 and 7 15. Dash 101 dash triple one. These two are same. This one is same. Differing is only one. So dash 1 dash 1. Right. For which values? Before writing this one, you have to put tick marks for 5 7 and 7 13 15. First place tick marks. I place it tick marks. Now 5 13 7 15. At okay. Dash 1 dash 1. Now put tick mark for those two also. Okay. Now check for 9 13, 9 13 and 7 15. 9 13 7 15. 1 dash 0 1 dash 1. So here only we can observe two changes are obtained. So no need to compare that one also. Next 9 13 13 15, no need to compare. So tick marks has 4. And here you observed one thing. In these two indexes, 5 7 13 15, these two are same. Have you observed? These two are same. So you can write only one term, either 5 7 13 15, 5 13 7 15, any one. Both are same values. So write one time only. Okay, it is not tick marked. Is further reduction is possible? No, because here only one index is available. We didn't get any index 3 or 0 or 1. So we can stop here the problem. Untick marks are what? Here untick marks are which one? 0 4, 0 8, 4 5, 8 9, 9 13 and 5 7 13 15. How many values you get? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So these 6 are called prime implicants. Okay, these 6 are prime implicants. So I am writing expressions for those. I am writing expressions for those. Leave, don't write expressions for tick mark because there is no need. So I am writing expression. 0 is belongs to W, right? Here X is observed. So W bar, Y bar, Z bar. And this one X bar, Y bar, Z bar. Okay, like that you have to write expression. And here at dash is available at where? W and Y. So neglect these two terms. X, Z. Remaining is X, Z. Okay. See, where dash is available, skip that term. Here dash is available here, W. So you here in this term you skipping W. Similarly, okay, like that. Where dash is available, check that variable, whether it is X or Y or Z. Then skip that term. Okay. Here three zeros are available. Here three zeros are available. How to write expression? Don't confuse. Okay. Check where dash is available. Okay. Now you write min terms also. So finally, prime implicants are this one. So prime implicants also found. Next, you have to find essential prime implicant. To find essential prime implicant, you have to prepare prime implicant chart. So, before preparing prime implicant chart, let us notate minterms with some function. Okay, you get some expressions, right? Which these are prime implicants. Okay, for suppose 1 second. So write expressions. You have already write expression for prime implicants, right? And denote each prime implicant with one function. So this is as P, Q, R, S, T, U. You can write A, B, C, D, E, F. That is your wish. Okay. First write labeling. Just labeling for functions. Okay. Prime implicant chart. What is prime implicant chart? Rows consist of prime implicant, columns consist of minterms. Okay, 0, 4, 8, 4, 7, okay, 5, 7, like that. So these are the prime implicant chart. So first, consider P. I am considering P now. P is obtained from minterms 0 and 4. So I am placing X mark at 0 and 4. Next Q. Q is obtained from 0 and 8. So placing X marks at 0 and 8. Next R. R is obtained from 4, 5. 4, 5. Okay. Next S. 8, 9. S is 8, 9. Next T. 9, 13. Next U. 5, 7, 13, 15. 5, 7, 13, 15. Okay. After placing X, what we have to do? Check vertically. Check vertically means check column wise. Single X is available or not. Here 2x's, 2x's, 2x. Single X is available. So make it circle. Okay. Next. For 8, no. 9, no. 13 at 15th column only you get. So again you round off. So we can say W. Now check horizontally. Now check horizontally. Any circle is available? No. Circle X is not available? No, no, no. Only U has circled. So U is essential. Okay. U is essential. But only single term is essential? No. These out of PQRST, some may be available as essential. So for that purpose, we have to reduce the prime implicant chart. How we reduce the prime implicant chart? Here U is selected as essential, right? So remove this row now. Now remove this row completely. If you remove this row, which columns will get affected? 5, 7, 13, 15. Remove those columns also. 5, 7, 13, 15 columns also removed. Then you get reduced chart. You get reduced chart. Now check for single X's. Single X, single X, single X is not possible. Nowhere is single X. Now what we have to do? Again we have to reduce this chart. How? By finding dominant row. By finding the dominant row. Let us see. Check P and R. Let us check P and R. See, in P and R, what happened? 0, comma 4, 4. Which one is prefer? We can neglect this one because 4 is already available in here, right? 4 is already available here. So we can remove R row. Okay, you can remove R row. Now compare S and T. S and T 8 and 9, 9. So 9 is already available here. So no need to use single 9. So remove this one. If you remove this column, what happened? Sorry, you have to remove this row. Remove only row. Which row? 8, R and T, and rewrite the circuit. So I am writing no. I am removing R and T. Now check for single terms. Single terms are available at, now round off single x's. Single x's are available at 4 and 9. Now circle again. 4, 9. Now you can say P as S as essential. Now you can say P comma S are essential. Okay. Now remove P and S also, including columns. What happened? If I remove this one, which columns has to remove? 8 and 9 has to remove. Okay. If I remove P, what columns are removed? 0 and 4 are removed. So all min terms are removed, right? See here, all columns are removed. So Q is not essential. So clearly we can say now Q is not essential. So there is no further reduction. If you perform further reduction of this chart, there is no min terms. Column wise there is no value. Horizontally we have Q, but vertically there is no min terms. Without min term, how can you say this is essential or not? So Q is not essential. Clearly you can say Q is not essential. Okay. So what are essentials now? P, S, and already previously U is essential. So only 3 terms. U, P, and S are essential. So finally prime implicants. Essential prime implicants are XZ, W bar, Y bar, Z, W, X bar, Y. So final minimized expression is XZ plus W bar, Y bar, Z plus W, X bar, Y bar. Okay. Like that you have to perform minimization. This is the final expression. Okay. Try to reduce using dominant row method only. Okay. Select dominant row method here. Okay. How to do in exam? In exam,